Hi guys, welcome to Richard Gabilo YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to block unknown or private numbers on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, go to 3 dot on the right side on your screen. Okay, tap this and the pop-up will show. Okay, you can see the settings. Okay, go to settings. Here in settings, you can see the block numbers. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap this and block numbers. You can see the block unknowns or private numbers. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to block unknown or private numbers, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully blocked unknown or private numbers on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.